In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google business profile name. Whether you're rebranding or simply updating your existing business name, these easy steps will guide you through the process in just a few minutes. First, let's start by navigating to your internet browser and going to business.google.com. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on that to begin accessing your account. If this is your first time signing in to Google Business, you'll be prompted to sign in using the Gmail account associated with your business. Make sure you have the correct login details, as this step is crucial to accessing your business's profile. If you've signed in before, you'll be taken directly to your Google Business dashboard. This is your central hub for managing business information, so it's essential to get familiar with this page. Now, focus your attention on the left side of the screen where you'll see an option labeled Businesses. Go ahead and click on this link. It will take you to a page that lists all the businesses you manage. On this page, find the business whose name you want to change. Once you locate it, look to the right where you will notice a little pencil icon. This is the Edit button. Click on it and you will see a menu that appears offering different areas of your business profile you can edit. Within this menu, you'll find a section called About. Under this section, locate business name. You'll see another pencil icon right beside the name. Click on that icon to edit your business name. Type in the new name you've chosen for your business. It's a good idea to double check spelling and accuracy to ensure everything is correct. Updating your business name will reflect the changes across all Google services where your business is listed, so accuracy is key here. Finally, after making sure everything looks good with your new business name, don't forget to click the Save button to ensure your changes are recorded. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed your Google business profile name. Remember, changes might take a little time to reflect fully across all platforms, so be patient. By following these steps, you'll keep your profile consistent and up to date, which is vital for maintaining accurate business information, especially for your customers. Keep this process handy for any future updates you might need. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.